I wanna love you all over.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Please, can I see you? I saw you walking around here. To say the fact, I love you. In fact, I have feelings for you. Don't look at the way I dress you. Money deal, I get money you. Which kind of phone be this?
Itel phone.
I go change them to Nokia 3310. Sorry, I mean iPhone 13. Once you marry me.
Is your phone with you?
Sure.
Please borrow me, make I call him back.
PA, bring my phone. Okay. Do you know knife touch phone? Oh yeah, call that person. I just load 50,000 now.
What's it be this?
Man, where? Call that number for me.
080.
08035. Yeah, take.
Your account is too low for this call. Star 606.
But you said you have loaded 50,000 naira card there now.
How could I say that? I said I just bought a 50,000 naira card now.
Yes! I better collect your phone, Jerry.
Put this guy in here. Wait, this is my real phone.
Let's go.